How to make money on Jumptask. Now this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you absolutely everything you need to know, including how this website works, how much money you can make, and how you can get started making money on Jumptask as soon as today. So if you are interested in making money online and making money with Jumptask, then keep watching, as this is going to be the most valuable video you ever watch. Now, before we jump into this video, I just want to mention that my mentor has opened up a few spots for his free workshop. As I said, there is only a few spots, so it is a first come, first served basis. And this workshop actually allowed me to earn my first $7,000 month online, so it is definitely worth your time. And if you want to sign up, you can use the link down in the description. Okay, so as you can see, I am on the Jumptask.io website. And as it says, join the global workforce. Earn money for playing games or solving puzzles, an all-in-one app fueled by Jump Token. 5 minutes and you're part of the $500 billion gig economy. So we've got a few things down here, like they talk about the rapidly growing community. This was originally launched on January 13th, 2022, and this has attracted dozens of thousands of users in its first weeks. The user base is quickly expanding in terms of not just individuals, but also countries, regions, and real global workforce. So effectively, guys, I will explain a little bit more about this, but the way this works is you actually earn Jump Token, which is a cryptocurrency, and that is how you can actually make money in this game. Now, just in case that's all a little bit confusing for you guys, they do explain a little bit more about this. So as I said, don't worry guys, by the end of this video, you will fully understand how this works, and you will actually be able to go out there and start earning real money from this website. So they say, what is Jumptask? Jumptask allows companies and organizations with a globally dispersed workforce making the most out of their collective skills. It allows gig workers, which is like you and me, to discover and explore the crypto world, as all of the payments on the platform are made in its own currency, Jump Token or JMPT. So this is me and you right here. We do tasks, so like task 1, task 2, task 3. We then finish these and the partners are going to pay us out. So there we go guys. Now if you guys want to go in like a lot of detail about Jump Token and you understand crypto and you really want to learn about this, then you absolutely can, and you can learn about it here. However, I'm just going to keep this nice and simple for people who don't really understand crypto, so that basically everybody can understand this. And we can see that this is Jump Token. So we can see, as it said on the website, it launched in January. And basically guys, it dropped, and then in recent months, it started rapidly rising again, and one Jump Token is currently worth $2. So you can literally sell one Jump Token for $2, and that is how you can get real money from this website. Now, it's up to you guys. You can either hold the Jump Tokens and hope that they go up if you believe in the project, or you can literally go on this website, earn your Jump Tokens, and then just sell them for real cash. Now, here is a very interesting area, and this is basically what types of tasks can you do on this website and how can you earn money. So number 1 is surveys. Share your opinion with market research companies to help improve various products and services. Number 2, application testing. Become a beta tester. Contribute to making the user experience smoother and more enjoyable. So these two are already awesome. With application testing, you will basically just be doing like what I'm doing now, basically recording your screen and your voice and talking through what you are doing, how you are finding applications and all of that. Number 3 is ad watching. Collect a fixed fee for watching commercials, trailer and other short videos on your device. Very simple and very easy to do. They even offer translations, so if you are bilingual or multilingual, you will be able to do some translations. Image interpretation. Specify the content of various images. Take part in training AI to correctly identify what it sees. So for example guys, they might show you an image right here and say, what is this? You would just type orange and boom, there we go. And then the final one is manual web testing. Help businesses understand how they could make their websites more intuitive and user friendly. So web testing and application testing is pretty similar, but the rest of these are very, very different, and these are some awesome ways that you can make money with Jumptask. So guys, what we can do is let's go ahead and click how to get started. And once again, this is just going to tell us how we can get started, everything that we need to do, and the exact steps that we can take to start making money. So we've already talked about this area at the top, like what is Jumptask. We already know, and we have already talked about this. How can you create an account? So for account authorization, Jumptask uses MetaMask or any other crypto wallet, and we recommend using MetaMask as it's the most popular option. Now, if you guys don't know how MetaMask works, this is MetaMask up here. It's actually very easy to use. Like you literally just install it, guys, create a MetaMask account. But as I say, if you want like a little bit more to know about this, there is an article right here. This will walk you through how to use this. So now, how can you start earning? Once the crypto wallet is set up, you can log into the Jumptask dashboard. After login, at the bottom left side of the screen, you'll see the My App section. Here, you can start doing the assigned tasks and then get paid in Jump tokens for completing the task. So let's go ahead, guys, and I'll basically show you how we can do this. I'll just log into my MetaMask account, and as you can see, boom, that is how easy it is. That is what the desktop looks like, the dashboard, sorry, and that looks very cool, right? So we can see here we have offers, staking, games, surveys, and Honey Game. And yeah, let's go ahead and try some of these out. So I'm going to go with the offers first. And okay, so I agree. And we can see that we can literally get paid out $7, 7 JMPT, which is like $14. That's like, it's even more. That is like over $16 right here. And as it says right here, all we have to do is play Raid Shadow Legends and open 3 sacred shards within 30 days. This offer rewards within 24 hours, new users only. So in fact, guys, I was wrong. It is $18 that this task pays out. So all you have to do is play Raid Shadow Legend, open 3 sacred shards within 30 days, and then once you have like opened the last one, once you have completed the mission, you will be paid out within 24 hours. Now look at this as well, guys. PokerStar Casinos. Join PokerStar and play casino games. Register, deposit and wager a minimum of £8 using a valid credit card, and this offer rewards within 24 hours. So if you download this app, you can deposit £8 and then you get 4 JMPT back, which is $10. So effectively, like $10 is around about £8. So with this one, you would put £8 in and you wouldn't make any profit up front, because you would get that money back. But you're effectively, guys, you are effectively getting £8 in free bets right here. So you can win, but you can't really lose, right? Because you're getting all of your money back. You can see that there's a bunch of other offers down here. So that is the offer section. Then we can go to games. So we can see like you would earn 2 jump for playing this game. So best friends. So play best friends, reach level 161 within 5 days. That sounds pretty ridiculous. I don't know how hard this game actually is. I don't know, maybe level 161 is relatively easy, who knows. But you basically will get paid out around about $4 for that. Cash Alarm, get apps from Cash Alarm and play them for at least 35 minutes. So that's not the best, I won't lie. Some of these payouts are pretty bad. So the game section I don't really like as much. We then have surveys, so let's check this out. So we can go through and answer these, and that is another section. Not entirely sure how much you can earn from there. And then finally we have Honey Game. So I've already made videos about this in the past, but Honey Game is very awesome. And this is another way that you can make money online. Now finally we have staking, guys, and if you guys don't know how staking works, this is effectively where you can earn more JMPT for staking your JMPT. Now of course that probably sounds like a lot of jargon, right? But if say I had 10 JMPT, I could basically lock this up and earn these interest rates on my JMPT for locking them up. Now as it says, you can withdraw your stake anytime for free, so it's actually not even that risky. All you would have to do is stake your JMPT. You can get it back at any time and you earn interest on that JMPT for basically free. And I guess this can be kind of classed as passive income, as you don't have to do anything and you are earning more JMPT for the JMPT you already staked. But guys, that is basically everything that you need to know about Jumptask. Now if you learned something from this video or you found it valuable in some way, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, take it easy.